Today we're going to talk about how to change a code in your alarm system, or how to add a code, or perhaps delete a code. So let's get into the user menu by pressing 9 and then our master code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you would use whatever code that's already in there as your code to get into the menu. So now we're in the top level of the menu, and if we use our A and B keys, we can scroll through the different options. So I'm going to hit B and go to user codes. The bypass key is my enter key, so I'm going to press bypass. So now I'm at regular user codes. If I hit B, I'll see partition master code. So I can go to user codes and change user codes. I can change the master code. Let's change the partition master code. I'm going to press bypass. That's my enter key. And we see now that our master code is 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's change it to something we can remember. Well, let's see. My birthday is September 24th, 0924. Bypass. So now I've changed the partition master code from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 0924. To go back one level in the menu, I press the status button. So that takes me back to the partition master code or regular user codes. Let's add a code. So we go to bypass, and here we're at position 000. If I hit the B key, you'll see I go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. If I hit A, I'm going to go backwards. 4, 3. So now I'm at user 3. Let's press bypass, and we see that we have user 000 and 4 stars, indicating that there's no code in position 3. So let's add a code for a babysitter, one of the children, an employee. Let's make it 9898. Whatever 4 digits you want to use for the code. You'll see it's blinking, but when I press bypass, so now user 3 is 9898. All right, let's go back one step. Back up to user 3, regular users, and user codes. Now I'm at the top level of the menu, and I need to get out of the menu. In order to get out of the menu, I scroll through time and date, system version, exit, programming ready. To exit the programming, I press bypass, and now I'm out of the menu. Well, let's test our codes. I'm going to press 1 for off. 0924. System is disarmed. Well, let's try the other code. 9898. All right, so we changed our master code and we added a code. Well, let's say we want to delete a code. Let's get back into the user menu. I'm going to press 9. And I want to put in my code 0924. Remember, we changed our partition master code. So let's go to user codes, press bypass. I want regular user codes. There I'm at 000. Let's go down to number 3. And there it is, 9898. But I want to delete that code. How do we delete a code? Well, in order to delete a code, we put in the master code over top of the code we want to delete. So my master code is 0924. I'm going to press bypass. And now, as you can see, 003, and then the 4 stars indicating that the code has been deleted. All right, let's get back out of the menu. Press star, press star, press star, and now I'm at the top level of the menu. I'm going to press A till I get to exit programming ready, and I hit bypass. Now that code that I put in there was 9898. Let's see if it's really gone. Doesn't work anymore. That code is deleted. And in a couple of minutes, my display will go back to the date and the time. So that's how you change a code, that's how you add a code, and that's how you delete a code.